Alright, so welcome to today's lesson. As I always do, every week I actually take a look at what my expectations were for the previous week and versus what's happened, or what price actually delivered and what I expect the coming week to do. Okay, we've been consistent over the few weeks. If it's the first time watching, I think it will be much better for you to appreciate what is going on this channel if you would go back the previous weeks and then probably just go through the charts and compare with the videos before they happen. Alright, so for the previous week, about almost 2 weeks now, I think within I think from the 20th to 24th, okay, and then 27th to first. From the 20th to 24th, I was expecting the dollar index to reach up into this particular high right here, okay. But it took like about 2 weeks for that to happen, and we are not yet there actually. So for the previous week, I was talking about the fact that I'm still bullish on the dollar and I'm expecting price to reach up into this particular high, the PDH, as I've indicated right there, okay. And that particular week we had, I think on since Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, this is Monday. So on that Monday, we had that divergence with the dollar index and then the euro. On the right hand side is the euro USD, okay. We had that particular divergence. Let's see as this particular candle was being run on this particular day, and then this particular day, we were actually not seeing that same condition right here, okay. Now under normal circumstances, in a symmetric price or symmetric price delivery, when the dollar makes a lower low, I expect the euro USD to make a higher high. And when you have this condition right here, right now the dollar is making higher low, and then the euro USD is making a higher high here. That's the divergence. And you know, I was expecting dollar to reach into this particular high, and on Tuesday we had that bull run, and then we had a retracement, a little retracement after taking out this particular high. On Thursday, had a retracement. On Friday, I think pushed price much closer to the high I was expecting. So I'm still bullish. I want to see this particular high taking out. But even though we've done so much work and you've done so much work around this particular area and where price is currently, price actually reached here and then had the retracement back down here. So it's most likely we are going to run this particular high, but it's not really a must, okay. It's not a must because we've done majority of the work and price is actually in premium at the moment, taking this high and this particular low. Or if you take this high and this low, for instance, you know, price is in premium right here. So I'm still looking at price reaching into this high. I don't want to call the turning point of the market. It hurts very much, you know. So I'm still bullish on the dollar until otherwise proven. Today I'm actually not going to give any alternative or what I expect in the setup, or what conditions would invalidate my expectation for this particular target, because where price is now, I'm not so sure of its intended location or intended next target. So I'm still bullish, looking at this particular high to be taken out. Alright, so the same thing happens in the euro USD. In the euro USD, as we had that divergence right here, okay. Had that divergence right there, we had a drop, and then on Thursday we ran up a little bit. The euro gave up the ghost, targeting this particular low, but price couldn't really make that low. So For the coming week, still I'm expecting this low to be taken out where prices. I'm just expecting this low to be taken out, and then probably this particular low, okay, these lows to be run out aggressively for the coming week, and maybe price can we expect some kind of retracement back into the range from this high to, you know, wherever low price would have its turning point, but probably around 1.03 to 40, about somewhere here. Okay, let me Alright, so that was the level I'm seeing price to drop into, which gives us about, let me see, about 100 plus pips, 102, so let's say about 100 pips down from where price is currently. Okay, so that is it for my expectation in the coming week. Let's see what price has to deliver. Yeah, not much to say today, and you have to also take into consideration the fundamentals in terms of news releases. You can check my Forest Factory. Forest Factory can give you those news, and you can just have a look at it. So those high impact news, let's be cautious of them, and let's see what the market has to deliver in the coming week. Thank you.